In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another part of the same Google Doc using both headings and bookmarks. Whether you're a beginner creating a table of contents or a professional building a long-form report, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, you need to create a destination for your link. This is the spot in the document that the link will jump to. Here, we'll start with the lorem ipsum subheading. To begin, click and drag your cursor to highlight the text you want to become the linkable destination. One of the easiest ways to create a linkable destination is by applying a heading style. With your text selected, navigate to the Style drop-down menu in the toolbar, which currently says Heading 3. Click on it to open the list of available styles. From this menu, you can select any heading or title style. For this example, let's hover over Subtitle and then click Apply Subtitle. The text immediately changes its formatting to match the subtitle style, and Google Docs automatically recognizes it as a potential link target. You'll notice the style was just reset. That's because I want to show you another common way to access these same styles and also to reinforce the action. Using built-in headings is excellent for organizing your document and is the primary method for creating a clickable outline or table of contents. However, sometimes you might want to link to text that isn't a heading, which we'll cover later using bookmarks. Let's reapply a heading style, this time using the main navigation menu for more complex formatting options. Once again, highlight the lorem ipsum text. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Paragraph Styles. A submenu will appear. Let's choose Heading 3 and then click Apply Heading 3 from the final menu. The text is now formatted as a heading. With our heading created, we now have an anchor point within the document. The next step is to create the actual hyperlink that will point to this newly formatted heading. This link can be placed anywhere else in your document. For this demonstration, we'll scroll down to a different section to create our source link. Now we'll select the text that will become the clickable link itself. Scroll down to the dollar site section and highlight the words lorem ipsum dollar. Once the text is highlighted, a small menu appears, but for this task, we will right-click on the highlighted text. This opens a context menu with many options. From this list, find and click on Insert Link. A dialog box will pop up right below your selected text. This pop-up is where you will define the link's destination. You could paste an external web address here, but we want to link internally. At the bottom of this box, click on the option that says Headings, Bookmarks, and Tabs. The menu will now show a list of all the recognized headings and other linkable elements in your document. As you can see, the lorem ipsum heading we created earlier is listed. Click on it to select it as the destination. The text is now a blue, underlined hyperlink, indicating it's active. To test it, simply click anywhere on the link. As you see, the page instantly scrolls up, bringing the lorem ipsum heading to the top of your view. You have successfully created your first internal link using a heading. Now, let's explore the second method, using bookmarks. This is perfect for linking to a specific sentence or phrase that isn't a title or heading. First, select the text you want to bookmark. In this case, we'll highlight the first few words of the product overview section. With the text highlighted, navigate to the Insert tab in the main menu at the top of the page. Scroll down the drop-down menu until you find Bookmark and click on it. You'll see a small blue bookmark icon appear to the left of your selected text, confirming the bookmark has been created. Now let's create a link that points to this specific spot. Scroll down to the Details section and highlight the text Nam Liber Tempor. Just like before, right-click the highlighted text and select Insert Link from the context menu. In the pop-up, click on Headings, Bookmarks, and Tabs. You'll now see a Bookmarks section in the list containing the bookmarked text we just created. Click on it to create the link. The text is now linked. When you click on this new hyperlink, the document immediately jumps directly to the bookmark text under the Product Overview heading, proving your bookmark link works perfectly. This method gives you precise control over where your links lead within the document. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to link to specific parts of your Google Doc using both headings and bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.